It was almost before 13 years. In 2006, I went to Timtos, which was there in Taiwan. And one thing which amazed me that time was almost all the machines which was displayed there was so huge. And I was there at Imtex. From 1999 Imtex, I'm going and visiting them. And almost all Indian machines were small. So I was very curious at that point of time also why Indian manufacturers are not able to build such kind of big machines. I have been told that in India we don't have a big market for this. So whoever wants to have one or two kind of product, they will import. But I'm very happy today to see a homegrown company from Punjab have made such amazing machines, which is not only selling in India, which is selling globally. Now they are also part of Phillips Machine Tools who are marketing this amazing product. But I have a question. So I am having Gaurav Ladda, who is from Jagdeep. Why Jagdeep? Why name Jagdeep?
It's a very interesting story basically. See, our founder, Mr. Ram Kumar Agarwal, started this venture around 55 years back. It's a long journey. They started as a foundry with a vision that the name goes with something which to enlighten the world. Jagdeep means Jag mein prakash phailane wala. That vision they had, from India we have to enlighten the world. How we can do. So that challenge he has taken, and it's a long journey. Now we are doing by making this amazing machines, and which is even competent with the global players, maybe sometimes above the quality or expectation of customer, together with the local support. That is the main thing which we are doing.
Actually, I never thought that there is a meaning behind. I just thought that it is a name of a person. It's something very unique to understand. Jagdeep was a meaning or was a vision of the founder.
Yes.
Before 55 years.
Yes.
Ki har jag mein deep jalao.
Correct.
It's amazing.
Correct.
So you told that already you are selling outside. There is a kind of notion sometimes that Jagdeep, Sagar, like people do not have that, sometimes give value. Indian customers, they have a perception. Do you face such kind of problems with the brand when you go to any Indian customers?
Yeah, you can say when we started, it's a very big challenge for us. Still we are facing with new customers, particularly in India. If we talk about out of India, it's not a challenge anymore because they never take care of, they don't know that Jagdeep is an Indian name or something like that. They take it as a simple brand. The same thing we are trying to create here in India. Initially, the perception is like Indian manufacturer, Indian brand, local thing. People don't have that kind of acceptance to that machine or the brand. Now we are changing that perception with our quality, and we have many customers, or you can say almost more than 50-60% of customers who are taking these machines not once. They are having our multiple machines. So we are breaking this perception of Indian name or Indian brand or the quality related to that Indian brand. We are breaking with our deliverables.
You told that about the global market, whatever you are having. So which are the customers, if you can name some of the customers who are using your machines?
We have customers like global customers in India also, like Caterpillar. We have Pitti Laminates. We have Promet BD in UAE. We have Kuwait Petrochemicals. We have Equate Petrochemicals. And then we have some customers in Oman. We have some customers in Saudi Arabia. So they are all serving to big giants like Aramco also. So they are doing all important components for which earlier they only depended on the European or Taiwan machines. Now we are making a difference with this kind of solution. Moreover to it, we are adding to it, like we are changing the person not only with the Jagdeep brand, all Indian brands. When the person is having an acceptance to the Indian brand, they can have consideration for other manufacturers also. So this way we are thinking that let us how we can change the world or maybe the perception of Indian customer particularly.
See, I have seen that actually many of the Indian manufacturers sell their product in a right price outside.
Correct.
But sometimes when it comes to India, so I think the thought, the cultural shift needs to happen in India where people start respecting Indian products.
Correct.
And I always tell that instead of negotiating, give a challenge to the Indian manufacturers.
Exactly.
Huh?
Correct.
You tell that you take 10% extra, but get me this work done. That is how we can innovate. That is how we can build confidence on our partners and ourselves.
Perfectly said.
And I am sure that companies like Jagdeep is able to come here is because of those kind of thought process.
Correct. Even that thought process gives us an fuel to improve our product. Sometimes customer gives us a challenge that gives us an opportunity to have our product more improvised to accommodate many industries in a single kind of machine or maybe with some options. So that gives every manufacturer an opportunity to grow, to evolve. that challenge is always important.
Gaurav sir, as I told you, I had before 10-12 years, when people told that India do not have the capability of manufacturing this because there is no market. Is it changed for these kind of big machines, market for India?
Yes, Indian market now they are demand. Thanks to efforts of our government or Honorable Prime Minister, they are making so much voice for the make in India, like you see in defense, like you see in lot of other industries, even in railways. So we are doing lot of things in aerospace also. We are doing lot of things in oil and gas as well as in railways. Our machines are compatible with all those industries, and really it is changing. You can say maybe in next 5 years or 10 years, we are expecting our growth as a 3 or 4 folds.
That's something great news to hear. And I am also happy to see that you are now part of Phillips Machine Tools. How you are finding this partnership with Phillips Machine Tools? Where it is going to take Jagdeep ahead?
Definitely it will take ahead. See, Philips already have their name for the quality products. So when we associate with Philips, definitely it gives some confidence to customer always that okay, there is some quality because Philips already have their own checks before finalizing or before doing any partnerships. So definitely customer will have that perception or confidence that okay, Philips has done their own homework or maybe their groundwork before taking this machine to market. So that is the confidence every customer has, and we have that benefit when we associate with Philips. We are looking forward for a very amazing this thing.
So this is a great partnership, Jagdeep and Phillips coming together. And again, friends, today I learn a lot with these kind of interactions. And today I learned about Jagdeep. I learned about the vision of your founder, and I am going to talk more about Jagdeep, and I am going to be more proud that our names have a lot of meaning. And that meaning, with that vision, when it comes to you, they are going to change your life. Lighten up your shop floor and increase your spreading the light of your company to the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your words.